First thing you want to do is separate your information. So make sure that you have y equals mx plus b here. You're going to be identifying m as your slope and b as your y-intercept for each. Be sure that you do your or, slope, and you write your direction. Alright, for this one, I'm going to identify my M and my B. My M is going to be my 1/4. And my B, which is my y-intercept, my starting point, is going to be -1. We're going to write our cheat sheet for it. If I look at my notes, when I'm talking about y-intercept, I'm talking about my rise over run. My y over x. For my y, when it's positive, I'm going to go up. You can see this in your notes. It's going to tell you. For my x coordinate, it's going to be left or right. Since it's positive, it's going to be right. Now I taught you your or. So for my or m, that is going to equal -1 over -4. It has the same value, but it's going to go in different directions so you don't run out of room. Negative, when we're talking about rise, we're going to go down. Negative, when we're talking about run, we're going to go left. These are in your notes. I have a slope, a y-intercept. So I'm going to start with my y-intercept. This is my starting point. My starting point is -1, and I'm going to follow my first slope. I'm going to go up 1, to the right 3, to the right, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to put my dot. So my starting point, I'm going to go up 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 1, I ran out of room. I can use my or. Since I ran out of room, I can use my or. I'm going to go to my starting point, right here in -1, and I'm going to use my or. I'm going to go down 1, to the left 4. So I go down 1, to the left 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, I did my starting point at -1, and I went down 1, to the left 4. And I'm going to connect my line, and I'm going to extend it. If you have a ruler, use it at home. When I got stuck here, I had to use my or. So remember, you do your or just in case you get stuck and you run out of room. You go back to your starting point and you use your or. It's the same value but gives you a different direction. Make sure you're doing that for each. You're going to identify your M, your or M, and your B, which is your starting point. Create your cheat code. Create your cheat code. Your cheat code is going to tell you if you're going up or down, left or right.